Hi everybody, my name is Naser and I've been living in Qingdao for 8 years now. Today we're here at Cosmoplate. Now, the question is, have you ever wondered how a washing machine, for example, is produced from the very beginning order to the final product? Today in Cosmoplate, we're going to find the answer to that question. Follow me and we will find it out.
Hi. This land is the world-leading mass customization and verification platform. We also call it text bed. And in this system, you can customize your own washing machine model. You can choose your favorite color. We have pink, gold, and white selection.
I'm gonna pick the white one.
And you can sign your name on this stage. Okay, and you can also choose your Chinese aesthetic.
Okay, zodiac sign. Here I'm selecting this
Okay,
dragon.
and your product is go to this line. The first stage is the modular supplying.
Here, the information for users' order from the selection panel are reflected here, and the production process starts from here.
Okay, now we go to the next stage. And next stage is flexible assembly.
Flexible assembly should be completed by these two robots. 30 to 50 modules of washing machines or refrigerators can be produced in this section in a single production line.
This stage is a printer. It can print your sign and the zodiac on the product. And this node is the intelligent packing.
Like the intelligent packing for packing the product according to the personalized order of the customer, to put the corresponding selected packing of the customer on the product.
Last one is intelligent storage node.
After visiting this production line today, I do believe that we have a very bright future. I'm sure here in Qingdao we will have more and more advancements, more and more technology to be going to be mixed with our daily life and make our life better and more convenient for us.
The model of washing machine is finished.
Oh, thank you very much. Here I've got my model and with my signature here. I invite you to come here and try yours. Next time it's your turn. See you. Bye-bye.